Ladies and gentlemen, imagine arriving at a tiny home in the middle of nature and discovering that your vacation rental is not a cabin, not a camper, not even a luxury RV, but a genuine 1926 railcar dripping with old-world elegance. Yet this remarkable machine exists. From the outside, it looks like a compact vintage railway carriage, but inside it delivers the atmosphere of a luxury hotel suite, mixed with the romance of the golden age of rail travel. Now, let's roll down the tracks of history and discover one of the most fascinating rail conversions ever created. The story begins in Australia during the Roaring Twenties. In 1926, this railcar was constructed at the famous Newport Railway Workshops in Melbourne, Victoria. During that era, railways represented the pinnacle of modern transportation. Air travel was still a luxury reserved for the wealthy, highways were limited, and trains connected cities, industries, and communities throughout the continent. The railcar was originally built as a first-class passenger vehicle. Its mission was simple: provide comfortable transportation across Victoria while giving travellers a taste of elegance. Wealthy business people, government officials, and travellers seeking a premium experience would have appreciated the refined accommodations offered by first-class rail service. For decades, the railcar faithfully served the railway system. It witnessed changing fashions, economic booms, recessions, political promises, and enough railway gossip to fill several libraries. Unlike many historic vehicles that disappeared into scrapyards, this railcar survived long enough to see retirement in the early 1980s. Fortunately, retirement was not the end. A group of creative visionaries saw potential where others saw obsolete rolling stock. They acquired the aging railcar and relocated it to Forest, Australia. What followed was a painstaking restoration lasting more than 9 months. Instead of simply preserving the vehicle as a museum artifact, they transformed it into a luxurious tiny home while maintaining its historic character. The result became known as steam. Today, it stands as a remarkable example of adaptive reuse, proving that old transportation technology can enjoy a second life. My neighbour Bob insists retired train cars are secretly monitored by aliens because they contain too many windows. Fortunately, nobody listened to him. Technically, the vehicle retains much of its original railway structure. The steel-bodied carriage was designed to withstand decades of service and the constant vibrations of rail travel. Although no longer operating on railway routes, its durable construction remains one of its greatest strengths. The railcar's dimensions create an interesting balance between compact living and spacious comfort. Unlike many modern tiny houses that feel cramped, the elongated railway layout naturally divides interior spaces. The design allows separate living, sleeping, and service areas without creating the feeling of being trapped inside a narrow box. Inside, the converted carriage now contains 3 sleeping areas suitable for couples or small families. A fully equipped kitchen provides modern convenience while respecting the vehicle's historic roots. Essential appliances, storage solutions, and preparation surfaces are carefully integrated into the limited footprint. A cozy living area centers around a wood-burning stove that delivers both warmth and atmosphere. During cooler evenings, guests can enjoy the crackling fire while imagining the railcar's earlier life transporting passengers across Victoria. Timmy once tried installing a wood stove in a fishing shed and accidentally created what local authorities described as an unexpected ventilation experiment. The railcar also includes a full bathroom, along with additional luxury features rarely found in traditional tiny homes. The restoration team carefully preserved original architectural details wherever possible. Wood paneling, exposed structural elements, and authentic railway features remain visible throughout the interior, creating an experience that feels both historic and contemporary. Many modern compact dwellings focus entirely on efficiency, often sacrificing character in the process. This railcar takes the opposite approach. Every room celebrates craftsmanship, elegance, and atmosphere. Rich red velvet curtains hang beside polished wood surfaces. Mahogany armchairs invite visitors to sit and relax. What makes the design especially impressive is how successfully it blends multiple styles. Victorian luxury meets Art Deco sophistication, while industrial railway elements remain proudly visible. Glossy black floors, exposed piping, and original structural details remind guests of the railcar's working past. Instead of hiding the vehicle's heritage, the designers embraced it. The result feels authentic rather than artificial. Compared with today's EVs and tiny homes, steam occupies a unique position. Modern recreational vehicles often emphasize technology, featuring touchscreens, solar systems, satellite connections, and automated controls. Tiny homes focus on maximizing every square foot through clever engineering. Steam offers something different: emotional value. It delivers an experience rather than merely accommodation. Many luxury RVs costing hundreds of thousands of dollars still struggle to create the sense of occasion found inside this converted rail car. Modern campers can certainly provide greater mobility, but very few possess the historical presence of a vehicle that began its life transporting passengers nearly a century ago. Steam also reflects a growing trend toward preserving transportation history through creative reuse. Around the world, old buses, aircraft, rail cars, and industrial structures are finding new purposes instead of disappearing forever. Projects like this allow future generations to experience history in a way that museums alone cannot provide. As we reach the end of our journey, it becomes clear why steam attracts so much admiration. It is more than a converted rail car. It is a moving piece of history that has traded railway tracks for a second life as a luxurious retreat. It combines engineering, architecture, craftsmanship, and imagination in a way few modern projects can match. Unlike many contemporary designs that become outdated within a decade, this railcar has remained relevant for nearly 100 years. That's a remarkable achievement in any industry. Timmy says if something survives a century, it automatically qualifies as a family member. Considering how many of his relatives have borrowed money from him, he might have a point.